Hi there, Justin Terhune here with Inaba Denko America, and we are back with another video. In today's video, we are going to do a deep dive and an introduction to Inaba Denko's Paircoil line set systems. Okay, now there's typically three things that we factor in when making an educated HVAC product purchase, right? Number one, and most importantly, is the integrity of that product. We want to know that it's going to stand the test of time and that it's not going to break down prematurely. Number two is the ease of installation of the product. Saving time and labor in our industry is of the utmost importance. And number three, and growing more popular, is the finished aesthetics of the product, right? Now, with that said, most contractors that are doing these types of installations are using some sort of a line covering system. And obviously, we would recommend using Inaba Denko's Slim Duct SD line covering system. But because of that, we're going to really hone in on those top two today. And that is the integrity that Inaba Denko puts into their products and the ease of installation of the Paircoil line set systems. So let's dive right in. I think we can all agree that a contractor's number one concern when running a line set is compromising the integrity of the insulation, okay? So what Inaba Denko has done is we've coated our line sets with a very ductile surface, and it's very rigid in design. Very, very difficult to tear this material. And if you combine that with the fact that the line sets, the liquid line and suction line are paired together, that's going to make for worry-free penetration every single time, okay? You'll also notice, although this is an industry standard copper, it's very lightweight in design, and you do not need benders to manipulate this pipe, okay? Another cool feature that Inaba Denko has incorporated into this product, if you look closely up front here, there's actually length markers every foot. So once you've got your measurement from the indoor unit to the outdoor unit, you don't need a tape measure. Simply roll the Paircoil out and cut it. There's also 1/4 inch markers as part of the rigid design that your blade can follow all the way across, getting a nice even cut and a beautiful finish every single time. Now let's look at the integrity that Inaba Denko puts into this product, okay? Like I said, it is an industry standard copper. It's going to meet all your local codes and can withstand operating pressures up to 600 PSI. Because of the color of the insulation, it does reflect UV rays, okay? And it's also a waterproof material. That means it's not going to break down prematurely to either UV exposure or the freeze and thaw cycles of the unit itself, okay? So if we take just those two things, I think it's easy to see why Inaba Denko's Paircoil should rank pretty high on your list when it comes to ease of installation and integrity of product, okay? I would highly encourage you to check out our full product offering at inabadenkoamerica.com. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to stay up to date on our product videos. And also feel free to check us out on LinkedIn and Instagram. We love to keep you up to date on what's new in our industry and what might be new in your area. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.